Well,
for that
I
zone
just
C
got a
with
message.
their wobble
It's
goal in
time for
front of
the
them.
host to start
And whenever they
another
end
show.
up getting a
See you on the Twitch.
randomized zone C match with a 4-ring stack, then they're really up for a high score. So that's why they're so happy here. They get the match that they really wanted. If we look at the robot, everybody's ready. Everybody's ready. I've paused the video when we have a good close up of the robot, because this is, yeah, here you can see it. It changed a lot. They used to have an intake on their backside, and their outtake was something like a shooter. But in the first league meet, it didn't perform as they wanted, so they changed it a lot. And as we will see in a little while, they have a unique intake-outtake system, unlike any robot. And if we analyze this robot a little further, we can see that they're using just 2 powered wheels and 2 omni wheels in the back for easy turning. And they use the a little bit older matrix building system that has been used a lot by teams in the Netherlands. But we don't see it a lot anymore. It is actually very lightweight, very sturdy if you use it in a proper way, which is exactly what Probots did. They built a very fine robot out of it. So let's start the video again and see how they do, because they're going to start their autonomous, drive up to zone C, score those nice bonus points with their wobble goal, and that's when we will see the story unfold. I will say here. So there he goes, wobble goal all the way into zone C, perfectly done. Then they drive back to the line, but not to stop. They will aim for the logo. Now we actually see that there is only 1 ring in their hopper, and they're going to score it in a logo pretty soon. There it goes. It went into the logo. Why they only have 1 ring, I don't know, because I have seen other matches.
I love the cardboard playing field.
Even played the same day where they have 3 rings preloaded, and now they only have 1. So I'm not sure why they do that, but I challenge them to look at the rules.
Some fields are
in their hopper,
pretty burnt together, to say the least. It's creative. It's
there we go.
it's problem thinking.
Because they do drive up
Solution solving. It's
and that scores them the navigation bonus of 5 points. This was a very well autonomous, and now the teleop is going to start. And watch carefully. There it happened. I'm going to rewind the video. We're going to see this again. Look very carefully. The whole right side of the robot just flaps out and becomes their intake hopper. There we go. There it goes. Unique design. We've never seen that before. A huge intake, and they have 3 rings in it already. Of course they do. And then they drive up to the wall. The camera will tilt pretty soon. There you go. And pay attention. They have like a letterbox kind of sorter that sits the rings. They come into their top hopper, and then they shoot them in the logo. So this is a strictly logo shooting robot. But look at this unique design. There we go again. All right. So one of them, no. They all make it. This is a unique design. We have not seen this before. So one ring makes it into that hopper, 2 rings, 3 rings, and then it tilts up, and they go through this little letterbox thing. One actually falls out. That happens sometimes with this team, but it is a unique strategy. What they do need to look into is the human player action here, because the human player waits with introducing the rings until the robot is ready, and that is actually not allowed. So they should look into that. Make sure that the human player introduces the rings constantly, because the human player cannot withhold the rings. It cannot wait for the robot to be there. So they will have to change their strategy maybe a little bit, but until now it is very efficient. And they're actually already driving up to the wobble goal, making sure that they have it in that little gripper. Very easily done. This is not a very complex system, but it works perfectly. Look at, I'm going to point out, look at that little lever here that's supporting the wobble goal. Make sure that it stays in. That's just a unique design. It's so cleverly done. Now they will wait for endgame to start, because the wobble goal needs to be behind the line to be eligible to score. and it is endgame now. They drive up to the wall and just tip it over the border. There he goes. Tip it over the border. That's very well done. Now the next thing they will do is, will they pick up another ring? No, oh no, they. All right, that's good. They are picking up that second wobble goal. That one has never been over the line, so it's not really eligible to score. They do put it over the edge, but that is actually not a scoring wobble goal right now. But very well done, very nicely played, and I think this is their high score with 85 points, which could easily be increased to an even higher score. Congratulations, ProBots.
Does the chat want us to look at, and we're going to look at that in
which team do? Oh, Whopper.
Oh, we're being told the robot is called the Whopper Schepper of Rings.
Whoppers, nice. So, De Hague, home of the Whopper.